So if your laps, oh what? Dermalogic up at the first step. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my very last video, part of my 10 days of skin. Yes guys, we are in the last video, but that doesn't mean you are not getting any more skincare videos. We still have Skincare Sunday, so make sure that if you love my skincare videos, you tune into my Skincare Sundays. Every single Sunday, I bring you a brand new skincare video, so make sure to tune in to my Skincare Sundays if you love skincare. I'm going to be sharing a skincare routine with you guys today that is all about kind of calming the skin, using a lot of aloe, a lot of cucumber in this routine. Spring is here and summer is right around the corner. I know that's crazy to say that because we are barely into April, but I know we are all wishing for more weather, so. All the products here are very calming. They are soothing for the skin. Cucumber, aloe, a ton of that fun stuff, and of course we have my beautiful banana plant background, so it's gonna be a very green video. So let's jump into it and I'll show you how I did, or how I'm going to do this skincare. Okay, taking these lashes off, much easier than I thought. Jeez, okay. Ooh. So the first product I have here is the Yes to Cucumbers Soothing Exfoliating Cleansing Balm. It is a cucumber oil that helps remove makeup and dirt gently. I gotta say, I've never used a cleansing oil that has like an exfoliator in it, and this is interesting. And then for cleanser, we have the Dermalogica Ultra Calming Cleanser. Kind of speaks for itself here, but we're gonna use this all over our face to just clean off any excess or additional makeup and dirt that we may have missed. And this is like full size, baby. So if you like huge skincares, you love this skincare right here, you love this cleanser, you could buy a pretty big size of it. You'll never run out. So once our face is all clean, I'm gonna go ahead and move on to toner. I'm gonna be using the Mary Badescu facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. I'm gonna spray this on my face. You can use a pad if you need to, but I feel like my face is pretty clean. Like those two products really got everything off my face. I'm also gonna spray this on my body if you have sunburn, and let me tell you guys, this is like a gem because you can get it in a huge size, you could get it in this size that I have, you can get it in a mini size and travel with it, and it's just so easy to kind of consistently spray on throughout the day. I try whenever my skin is burnt or it's feeling a little crispy from the sun, I always put on lotion once or twice a day, but sometimes it's just easier in between to have an aloe spray to just calm down the skin and get rid of that sunburn as fast as possible and in the best way possible. Now it's time for masking. You guys know I love masking. I have 3 really cool masks I want to show you. Here they are, right here. They're all green. So first I'm gonna apply the Peter Thomas Roth Cucumber Gel Mask. It is the Extreme Detoxifying Hydrator. It is refreshing, cooling, and moisturizing, and it is a calming gel. Helps soothe dry, irritated skin with extracts of cucumber, papaya, chamomile, pineapple, sugar maple, sugar cane, orange, bilberry, and aloe. We got it all in this little guy right here. Then I have these really cool eye masks. They're not the normal eye masks that just go underneath your eyes. These go over your whole eye. They are the Recover E Cucumber Eye Pads from Earth Therapeutics. They're to soothe and replenish. You're supposed to just lean back, relax with these on for a little bit of time. I'm gonna keep these on as long as I possibly can, because if I actually keep them on for a long time, I might fall asleep, which might be the point of these. But we don't want to fall asleep before we finish this video. So I'm going to put these on for just a few minutes, and then I'm going to come back. We're going to remove these cucumber eye masks, the Peter Thomas Roth mask, and then I'm going to show you guys the last mask in this routine. My God, did I almost fall asleep there? I'm gonna just rub in the serum that was left over from the eye masks. And then we have this sheet mask right here. This is the Slice Mask Sheet. Slice Sheet Mask. This is from Coco Star. You can actually pick this up at Target. This is their Aloe sheet mask, and if you look really closely, all of these little pieces are little like slices of aloe. So, ooh, this one smells so good. Oh my God, I could literally stay here all day. Oh, here they are, the little pieces of aloe. And we're just gonna take our little friends and we're gonna place them all over our face. Okay, so I'm gonna leave these on for just a few minutes and then I'm gonna come back and I'll show you what we do after we take them off. Okay, these have been on for a little bit of time. Usually you know because they'll start to come off a little. I'm just gonna take them off. I can't even like get over how good these smell. So I'm gonna take the serum, a little bit of the serum that's left over, and just rub it in. Then for serum, because you guys know I always go, you know, above and beyond the bougie step. We're double seruming it up here. I'm using the Your Good Skin Balancing Skin Concentrate. It restores and maintains the skin's natural balance. I'm just gonna use this to basically do just that. It has vitamin C and green tea in it, and it's just going to kind of balance out our skin. I'm gonna be using the Skin Smoothing Cream from Dermalogica, but I also have the Calm Water Gel in here from Dermalogica. That is gonna be something that is ultra calming. Sometimes I feel like whenever I have sunburn or my skin is feeling super irritated, I kind of want more of a water-based moisturizer that's gonna be super light and it's not going to really feel like anything except for water on my face. If you guys have ever had any irritation with your skin or you've had sunburn on your face before, you know exactly what type of feeling I'm trying to get at here. Since I don't really have the sunburn mainly on my face, I'm actually gonna use the Skin Smoothing Cream. This is gonna help more with smoothing out the skin, but also hydrating it. So if you think your skin can handle a heavier cream and it's not too irritated, then I would go with this one. If it is, and you need that ultra calming, I would go with the Calm Water Gel. All right guys, last and final step, we have the Bioderma Ultra Hydratant, right? Is that how you say it? Ultra moisturizing? Oh my God, I always read the wrong language. This is the Bioderma Ultra Moisturizing Chapped and very dry lips. It soothes and protects. I felt like this was a great lip balm to choose for this video because you can get sunburn on your lips. And I know for me, my lips get super dry during the summer, so I am constantly putting lip balm on. And this lip balm smells bomb, because honestly, it smells just like the Slice sheet mask. It smells so good. So this is gonna help cure our chapped lips, bring back the moisture in our lips, and not let the sun ruin our skin. So if your lips are super like severely dry and cracked and broken and you have like cuts on your lips, you guys, I definitely recommend something like Vaseline or Aquaphor or something that's actually medicated for your lips. In addition, to finish off this skincare routine, I do, and I probably will spray some more of this. Hold on. So I'm actually going to bed. This is kind of like the nighttime, you know, how do I cure the skin that I just burned to a crisp throughout the day at the beach. How do I cure it? And this is kind of like that nighttime after the fact skincare. If you guys are going out during the day, wear some sunscreen, please. Wear sunscreen. Thank you. Wear sunscreen, especially if you've already burnt your skin to a crisp. Even if you are old, young, somewhere in the middle of that, you are blue, green, white, black, yellow, like doesn't matter what age, what skin color, does not matter, wear sunscreen. My dermatologist would be very happy that I am pushing you guys to wear sunscreen, because they always say wear sunscreen and not like SPF 5, wear SPF 30 to 50, even 80. I'm like, okay, well, 80's pushing it. But we want to take really, really good care of our skin and protect it from the sun. And obviously the sun is much, much stronger during the summer. So maybe we will do a more in-depth video on sunscreen care and more of like a daily summer routine, including some of my favorite skincares. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. We can definitely do a video like that. I need some more skincare ideas, so leave those down below. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much if you tuned into my 10 days of skin. Just thank you so much for tuning in and being a part of it. Whew, it was crazy, and I just had so many ideas for skincare that I just had to get them all out for you guys. We are on to the next series. We're gonna finally continue and finish. I am promising not just you guys, but myself, slowly but surely we are going to finish my ABC series, so get ready to see more of those. We are on the letter F. But I love you guys. Thanks so much for watching. As always, make sure to subscribe to me right here in the center of the screen and check out all my other videos right here on the side. Thank you always, and I'll see you soon. Bye.